Ultra-Shear's Carbide Insert 90-degree V-groove bits use a replaceable carbide insert, so you always have a fresh, sharp cutting edge. Dull edges are never a problem when you're using Ultra-Shear Carbide Insert bits. Just loosen the mounting screw, rotate the cutter, tighten it back up, and get right back to work. The 90-degree V-groove bit is perfect for CNC engraving. Use it with your router table to create custom moldings. And it works with handheld routers for decorative grooves and template engraving. We offer the Carbide Insert 90-degree V-groove bit in 8mm shank, as well as the standard 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch. The 8mm shank gives small European routers better stability. We manufacture these V-groove bits right here in Strongsville, Ohio, and sell them direct to the woodworker. No middleman markups and no ocean voyages. Just great bits at a great price. The Ultra-Shear Carbide Insert 90-degree V-groove bit. The last V-groove bit you'll ever have to buy. Order yours today. Have an idea for a router bit you would like to see in the Ultra-Shear lineup? Let us know with an email to mailroom@woodpeck.com.